Welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I'm here with a review, and you guys already know from the title itself. So today I'll be reviewing this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smoothing Plus Radiance. Quite a mouthful of name. So this is a new launch in the Indian market. Before it was there in Southeast and it did quite well over there, and we are really thankful to L'Oreal for introducing this to Indian market. And let's talk about the packaging first. This is how the bottle looks. So this is the glass bottle. It's a very nice and sleek bottle. It looks very classy. The cap is like the twisted thing. It has a silver cap, and this is how it looks. It's plastic, and the name is obviously written over here like L'Oreal Paris, as you can see. And I'm definitely loving this packaging because it looks really nice, and I really like the bottle because it's frosted and it looks really pretty on anybody's dresser. So yes, let's now move on to the other things of the packaging. You can see the name and everything is written over here. It's a very sleek, nice, and like simple bottle, and how you can use it and everything is over here. Even you can see the manufacturing date over here, and this is for 130 ml of product. So there are two more variants of this. So the small bottle is 22 ml for 250 rupees, and the medium one is 65 for 799, and this is 130 ml for 1400, which is quite affordable, and this is amazing according to the price range. You can choose any one you want to use, and they claim this is perfect for all skin types. Now trust me, I have oily skin, and this definitely makes me feel refreshed and youthful. My skin looks plump, and it makes me feel really nice, especially in the morning when I wake up. It makes me feel really fresh and nice. I use this twice a day for better results. Obviously you're gonna use this twice a day, but sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, I even prefer it using on that time. And using it on the morning routines and night routines, that's like my regular thing. But whenever I'm doing makeup, like today itself, when I was starting filming this video, I have applied this as my primer. So you can even use this as a primer. It has the perfect base for your primer, and then you can just apply your foundation and other thing, and your skin is going to glow within. So this has a very liquidy formula, as you can see. Obviously it is like water-like, but it does work better than a serum, I believe. Like, I am a serum person. I don't like using a lot of moisturizers, except night, because it makes me feel very greasy, and I always go for products which is lightweight. So this is perfect, and it's perfect for all skin type. For oily skin, as I said, I am very oily, especially my T-zone. But people who are having dry skin, like my mom, she want to give it a go. She used it from me and she absolutely loved it. It's not going to make it dry whatsoever. She's having dry skin, and for normal skin they can use anything. For acne and sensitive skin, yes, even you guys can use this. You have to just go for the small bottle first, use it, and if you like it, just go for this big one. I at least insist, I recommend this highly because it's one of the best skincare out there right now. You don't need to use a toner, you don't need to use any other moisturizer, you don't need to use any serum. This is going to do everything. So now let's check out the consistency of this product. As you can see, this is extremely watery, but it penetrates your skin up to 10 layers, which is absolutely amazing, because the regular creams, they just do 2 layers or 3 layers, but this is definitely going to give you that penetration deep inside your skin and repair as well. So this shows the crystal clear skin, radiant, smooth, plump, hydrated and refreshed. So now let's see how you can use this product. The first step is to wash your face with a gentle cleanser. The second step is to pour 3 to 4 drops in your palm. The third step is to spread it between your palm without rubbing it too much. The fourth step is to gently tap it on your forehead. The fifth one is tap it on your cheeks. And the sixth one is to finish with your cheeks. As you guys already know, this has a very watery texture. Don't confuse yourself using a cotton ball because you absolutely don't need it. It's going to lead to product wastage. So just use your fingertips. It's going to do everything for you. So guys, finally we are almost end of this review, and you know the most important points about this product. So when I got my hands on this particular product, I was really confused in my different other brand which I use. Should I use them or should I not? Because this does everything. Like, this one bottle has everything in it. So there were some questions in my mind, and with my own experience I came to know about it, and I'm going to put some light on it so that you guys are not confused and not actually, you know, making a lot more effort in getting so many products and ending up using only one. So let me just tell you one thing about this product. Like, when I got my hand on this, my question was, should I use any toner with this or not? So the answer is no. Firstly, this does everything for your skin. It's a toner, it's a serum, it's a moisturizer, so you don't really need any of it. The second question is, do you need a moisturizer for your skin? Like, if you have a normal skin or a dry skin, people might think that you need to use any moisturizer. You don't really need, because this is a very hydrating, it's a very extreme hydrating, like, nourishing product. You don't really need any cream or any moisturizer with it, because this is definitely going to give you all those hydration. You're not going to feel dry after applying this. Like, it has a water texture, but no, it doesn't make your skin dry or dehydrated. It is extremely hydrating. So the third question was, do I need to apply any sunscreen with it or not? So yes, of course, if you're going out on the daytime and you wear a lot of sunscreen, or if you don't even wear sunscreen, you can definitely go with a sunscreen, because this product, this does not have any sunscreen in it. But yeah, if you want to incorporate your sunscreen in your skincare routine, you can surely do, but you don't really need any toner, serum or moisturizer. This was my experience. After cleansing my face, I have just gone with this one product and I was all sorted out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this tips and tricks and the review and everything helped you out. So if you're planning to buy this product, I'm going to put the link in the description box. You can go and check it out. This product is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and all other websites. So you can definitely go and check it out. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if you have any more question regarding this product, you can leave it on my comment below, like the comment box. I will surely get back to you with all your question and all your answers. So that's it for this video. End this video right here. We'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.